So for the 7th day, na so Baba God just cross legs, sit down gidigba for him ocheze, dey sip in holy zobo small small. As he just dey sip, na him dey feel himself. Come dey talk say, these things wey I don make, e make sense. All these things wey I don quick, I really try, e make sense. Na so he come say, no much matter, I don look, everything dey okay, make I rest today. So na so he come call that day the 7th day, so he come call am the Sabbath day. So na him be that how the Sabbath day take come now wey we dey hear today. But some people still dey confuse am whether na Saturday or Sunday. But no worry, stay tuned, watch this video to the end, because me, I don get the revelation and I go tell una inside this video. So stay tuned to the end of this video. So Baba God come declare public holiday on that 7th day wey he call the Sabbath day. So he say no work, make nobody go work at all. That day na public holiday. As you wake up, you bath, you eat, you rest, you worship me, you worship Baba God. Na be the order of the day. So as Baba God talk and finish, na so he stand up for him ocheze, waka go inside, go rest. So as Baba God wan go inside go rest, na he remember something. He come remember say he never